Hi, I'm Erin Kuntzis, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. Have you ever been caught in the middle of a high-stakes customer crisis, trapped in a technical deadlock where every team says, "We can't solve it"? I have. A major client was facing a catastrophic failure, putting a massive amount of business at risk. Today, I'm going to show you how I use Gemini to break that deadlock and drive the solution, all without leaving my inbox. Let's set the scene. One of our largest clients was experiencing a mass failure of their Google Ads location assets. The email thread was over 20 messages long with 2 technical teams pointing fingers. The root cause was buried and a manual fix was impossible. Both teams were stuck. Instead of copying and pasting this entire mess into another app, I decided to ask my AI partner for help right here in Gmail. I opened the Gemini side panel, which can read the context of the entire email thread I have open. I didn't just ask for a summary, I gave it a strategic prompt designed to find the one required fix. My prompt was, analyze this high priority deadlock, identify the definitive product team that has the back-end access, and determine the mandatory non-manual action required to fix it. And here was the breakthrough. In moments, Gemini confirmed the path forward right in the side panel. I identified the precise owner, the Google Ads backend team, and defined the exact non-manual action required, a bulk script to mass unlink and relink the accounts. I used that AI-generated analysis to draft a new, confident escalation on the spot. I just started a new email and copied the exact required action from the side panel to tell the right team what needed to be done. This moved the issue from an impossible customer support problem to a high-priority engineering bug, breaking the deadlock and accelerating the path to a real solution. To triage a crisis in your inbox, first, use the Gemini side panel. Give the AI the entire messy context of an email thread with one click. Second, ask for the solution, not just a summary. Prompt it to identify the owner and the required action. And third, use the insight to drive decisive action. Instantly copy the AI's findings into a new escalation to break deadlocks and get results. Ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun.